Hi guys, Mitch here. It's been a while. So welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how I pack my gear because tomorrow we are going camping. So ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo how I organize my gears. By the way, this is a 35-liter backpack from Osprey. No, when I go camping, this is the one that I'm using. It's a bit small, but it's enough for me, because I am trying to go as light as possible. Okay, and what I like about this backpack also, as I have mentioned in my previous video, is the brace at the back, which really give a good support, no, sa imong spine, especially if you have back issues. Mas maganda yung meron talagang support sa back, no? And also because of the design, medyo hollow dito sa likod, so yung ventilation is really good. Hindi mainit sa likod. This one, ito yung para sa rain cover ng bag. I do not bring a rain cover kasi nga I'm using a poncho. So I will leave this empty. Then here I am going to put my, where is that? I am going to put my sleeping pad, my self-inflating sleeping pad. No? So, kasya naman siya dito, kaya dito ko siya nilalagay. Okay? So, kasyang-kasya siya. Alright? So, as you can see, no, sa loob, medyo hindi siya flat. No? Meron siyang space dito sa gilid, meron space dito. So, what we will do first, before anything else, kasi it's rainy season, so we are going to put plastic inside. First, I will put this one. So, since meron tayong mga spaces na maliliit, what I do is just place it like that and occupy these small spaces in the bottom, no, na hindi na pwedeng magkasya yung ibang gears. Yung nilalagay ko sa pinaka-bottom is yung pinaka-last or pang-tulog ko na mga gamit. Yun yung last mo na gagamitin when you arrive at camp. Hindi ka naman matutulog agad pagdating mo ng camp, diba? So, yun. This is the sleeping bag liner, no? Maybe it's going to be cold kasi nga rainy season ngayon, so we cannot be complacent, no? So, yun. Sleeping bag liner na may heat reflective technology, and then this is the sleeping bag. Okay? Also, my fleece jacket. By the way, this is from Decathlon. This is just 400 plus, and it's a nice jacket. Tsaka mainit siya sa katawan, so it's a good insulator pag malamig. And then I have here my pillow. Goes to the front. Oh, you put the lighter gear away from your body, and then the heavy gear close to your body, no, para hindi ka ma-out balance. Okay. Next is my my sleepwear, yung susuotin ko the following day, my gloves, my socks, base layers. So, yeah. Dyan siya. Actually, this is a waterproof na. So, I guess I am going to seal this off na lang. Oh. And then we have our garment. And then we have our cook set. So in here we have 230 grams na butane. We have our stove and cook set na 2 pieces siya. Okay. So this one should be placed close to your body, not away from your body. Okay, so for my tent, I will be using the fly sheet of my Lanshan 2 and the ground floor. Ground sheet siya na meron siyang wall na I think it's 4 inches high. So, yun lang. No mesh. Outer fly lang tsaka ground. I will be trying this setup. It's my first time. So, anyway, we will be going to an established campsite. So, I don't think there will be a problem. Dala lang tayo ng bug spray. So this is a trekking pole tent, so there won't be tent poles. I will be using my trekking pole and of course our stakes or pegs. We'll be trying this one. See? Parang excited ako. Sana walang maraming bugs and mosquitoes, but I will be bringing a bug spray, so hindi problema yan. Okay. So, yeah. No? Pretty clean. So, meron tayong vacant dito for water. If we can bring 2 liters of water, the better. But I think malapit yung parking sa campsite, so we can bring extra water. So I probably be using this space for my food dito. Okay. This one is my folding chair. So lagyan natin dyan. Umbrella. And we have our reusable garbage bag. No, as always, bit-bit yan dapat. Dyan. This one, I still bring this ground mat for sitting. Even if I have this, kasi this weighs nothing naman. Sometimes you really need that on the ground. So, sige lang. Okay. Ayan. Okay. Yung food bag ko, that is 5 liter. It's a little bit bigger than this one. So, mamaya na yun. I have not yet prepared it. So here we are going to place our wet tissue. We have our emergency kit over here. Our knife. Our spoon. This is not the foldable one, so yeah, we can place it here. And then our poncho, lagay natin sa labas for easy access. Alright. So, ayan, marami pang space, ha? This is only 35 liter backpack. So, kasyang-kasya if you really want to go lightweight. okay na siya for overnight camping. Dito sa hip belt, meron siyang mga pockets, but I seldom use these pockets because I also have my waist pack, yung from Nature Hike. No? Minsan nilalagyan ko siya ng arm sleeves or yung trail food, no? If malayo yung campsite. Ayun. Kulang na lang dito is food and water, trekking poles, yung tent lamp, yung headlamp, kasi naka-charge pa siya. Okay? So, I hope you were able to get something from this video, no? So that's it for now, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos about camping, camping gears, campsites, and trekking. Until the next video, and kita kits to sa trail. Bye!